Hi guys, thank you for joining me. So today, well actually I already unboxed it, but this is an unboxing. Guys, you're not going to believe it. I'm so excited, I can't stand it. So many of you have been following my tutorial for some journals I'm making out of Decorate Your Life's Country Red collection. I won it on Craft Creations channel. It was a win it before you can buy it. And I've been doing tutorials. And I guess they liked my work because they asked me, little old me, to be a guest designer. Eek! So, I did already unbox it and I took it out of the bags just so there won't be so much, fumbling with plastic and stuff, okay? And I got my daughter got me super bright bulbs. I don't know if they're helping. And I'm still trying to learn settings on my camera. So let's see if it shows this stuff off well. So she sent in this, she always sends stuff in these pretty pink envelopes with pretty labels and stuff, right? And this is the Spring Buzz. And what is so cute is she had so many, these will all be linked in the description. And two things. Number one, Melissa means honeybee. You know how words have, names have meanings. So Melissa means honeybee, and she had a whole bunch of cute collections with showing bees. So, also number two, Dahlia, ManDaLee Cards and More just did, she's still uploading it, or still uploading parts. She's already uploaded one flip through and maybe 2 tutorials, okay? But she is uploading an 8x8 album tutorial. And it's really neat, and it will be perfect for these pages because they're 8.5 by 8.5. And they're 65-pound cardstock. So I'm really excited to do one with these 8.5 by 8.5 collections, okay? I might do another trifold like I've already done. I haven't decided what all I'm going to do with these. But I'm excited to get started. So this is Spring Buzz, 8.5 by 8.5, 65-pound cardstock, 7 designs, 14 pages. And then this is like the cover page in the pack. And of course you could use that too, right? And then let me set the other things aside. I made me a square so I stay in frame. And so look at that wagon with the bees and butterflies, and then the lace, and there's 2 of each. And looky here, be happy, so cute. And looky here, isn't that pretty with the green gingham? Gorgeous, gorgeous. There's so much cuteness to this, I can't stand it. And here's the hive and the bow and more lace. Looky here. Looky there. Look how pretty. I'm so excited. Looky here with the honey pot. So cute. And then we've got blue gingham with blue at the top. Oh, love this. Love, 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 love this so much. I haven't decided which one I'm going to use first. Decorate your life. Let's make something beautiful. Isn't that sweet? Okay. Next, we've got, I told him I was picking out 3 bee sets, and I was like, if that's too redundant, I like summer days too, so you can swap it out for that. And she sent the summer days too. And these pages are 7 by 10, 65-pound cardstock, 7 designs, 14 sheets. Okay. And then she does a pretty cover page that of course you can use. Now, I'm not one for mushrooms, but that is cute. They can make them, and gnomes, y'all and your gnomes, and she can even make a mushroom cute. I love her illustrations so much. Just to die for. And this one is Summer Days. Look, and little gnome in his little gnome house and little gnome birdhouse. Oh, and the little potted plants. Oh my God. Look. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, that's like a baker's twine bow with a button on the little sprigs. Looky here. Oh my gosh. Oh, so pretty. See, that's a lot of pink and geese. Oh my gosh. Here's a bow with the little sprig. Can you imagine making all of this? And look, these come with elements too. All of these elements. Get your fussy cutting on. And you know, you could, I can't cut I could, but maybe. I could be challenged to cut a scallop, but I'm not that good. So these, I will just cut square, you know. Oh my God. So there is Summer Days 7x10 design, set. Okay, so she has more than just 8x8. This one is so sweet. It's called Bee-You-Tiful. Okay, B-E-E, the word you-tiful. And this is 8.5 by 11. 65-pound cardstock, 7 designs, 14 sheets. So you get 2 of each. And then, of course, the cover page, you definitely use that, right? Isn't that sweet? And that almost looks like a unicorn bee, but I guess it's a stinger. But I could pretend it's a unicorn. Look! These. I turn the page and he's staring at me. So pretty. Honeybee You, natural honey. So pretty. See, she made it look like a unicorn, but that's their stinger. But I'm gonna just happily pretend that is a unicorn. And if I get any input in them, I will suggest. I love her illustrations so much. I bet she would knock it out of the park for a unicorn set. So I will be suggesting that. I know. But I love unicorns, so let's see what she does with that. Wouldn't it be neat if we get her to make that? Everybody comment down below that she needs to make a unicorn one. And this is peach gingham with a floral back design. Look, tongue hanging out. Oh, and these bows on the hearts. Oh my God. And I guess that's honey dripping. And that's a blue and white background. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? See why I couldn't decide? And I picked 3 bee ones. And let's see. This goes with the Bee-You-Tiful, and it is more die cuts. And for this one, it's separate. But look how pretty. 2 of those. Oh my God. Create, Inspire, Connect. Looky there. Love those. Love those. Okay, next we've got Cute Honeybee. I couldn't pick, guys. I couldn't pick, and she does them so cute. Look at the cover sheet. Isn't that pretty? Looky here, Honeybee. Oh, little wagon. Looky there. So pretty. I saw another lady make something out of this, and boy, it was pretty. Oh, look. Look at them. So cute with the daisies. Looky here. Pink with the daisies. What is that? A bow in their hair? A big bow. So cute. Oh my God. Here's just more fussy cutting elements. And they're not even that fussy because they're a pretty simple shape. Appreciate that. Oh, look at the hearts in the background. So cute. And then these two green watercolor looking pages. Isn't that pretty? Okay. And so that's cute Honeybee. And then there is Honeybee. And with that is so pretty. Look, won't that be nice to use as a title or something? Like on the cover, you know? Ah. And more fussy cutting. Look at these hearts with flowers. Look at that. I love the yellow one. Aren't they pretty? So 2 pages of those for fussy cutting. And again, these don't look like very, you know, they look like doable fussy cutting. I love fussy cutting. So cute. So cute. And just because she, you know, that wasn't near enough. Look what she sent. And it's 8.5 by 11, 65-pound cardstock, 7 colors, 14 sheets, and it's called Pastel Fabric. So it's just like a linen looking fabric. Yeah, you can see that. And it's all of these pastel colors. So we've got yellow, pretty pink, and this is a lighter pink. See, that's kind of a rosy, and that's more of a peachy pink. And purple and green. Oh, and a lighter green. Nice. And blue. Looky there. Aren't they gorgeous? And won't those go nice with all of these collections? So we've got the Pastel Fabric. We've got Honeybee elements. We've got Honeybee paper pack. We've got Bee-You-Tiful elements. We've got Bee-You-Tiful paper pack. We've got Summer Days. Look at that, how pretty. Summer Days paper pack. And Spring Buzz paper pack. So I will be following Dahlia's ManDaLee Cards and More. I will be following her tutorial to make an 8x8 album. It's really neat. And I will link that down below in case you want to get your stuff together and get started and do it with me. That'd be fun. I will have all of these linked below. If you have any ideas that you want me to make, any projects, you know, I don't have to make journals out of these necessarily. I can do other stuff. So if there's a project or another tutorial you want me to follow or an idea you want me to try, just let me know. And I'll make whatever you guys want to see. But I do have some ideas already. Okay? And thanks so much for watching. And thank you, Decorate Your Life. I'm so thrilled with all of this. I'm so thrilled to be a guest designer. I can't wait to get started. And I hope I make you proud. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.